Hey, what's up, y'all? How y'all doing? I hope everybody out there enjoying themselves and having the best life that they can. Today, we will be looking at Manstory Beard Growth Kit. What comes in this kit is the serum, which I will leave the ingredients list in the description, and the dermal roller. Now, how you use the product is very easy. First, you want to wash your face with warm water and soap. Next, you want to take the serum, fill the dropper about 1/3 full of the product, and apply it to your beard line. Now you want to massage the product into your beard, especially into the area where you want to promote growth to get a thicker, fuller beard so you can have a man beard instead of walking around with a little boy's beard, all patchy. Finally, you want to use the derma roller. But before you do, you want to sterilize it with alcohol at least 80% and roll about 5 to 10 times in the area that you need the growth. And that's it. Just do it once a day. But for maximum effect, you could do it up to twice a day. Also, if you want more information about this product, I will put links in the description. Also, you should see results within 3 to 5 days. I will post a follow-up video of the results of my beard. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video useful. If so, subscribe, like, and share this video with anyone who could benefit. But if you feel that this video is not quite up to par, just like this video, leave a comment letting me know what I did wrong. I really would like to hear from you. Also, you can follow me on the social medias. The links are in the description.